everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melissa, and today I'm going to give you guys a tour of my living room. Thought I would go ahead and show you guys now how I keep my living room on a daily basis throughout the year, because in September I will be getting ready to decorate for fall, so I will do that with you guys also, so you can see that before we go pumpkin crazy and all of that. So if you're interested in seeing how I decorate my living room, then please keep watching. And if you enjoy these types of videos or any other videos on my channel, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and let me know so I can do more videos like this one. And let's get started. All right, guys, we're just going to start from the front door. So looking to the right of the living room, when you first come in, you will see the TV and these little decorations that I have. Now, to go ahead and tell you about these cords, this is the cords to my alarm system, or my security system and everything, and I have to have the electrician run a hole through the ceiling so they can go upstairs and all of that for me. So that is why they are there right now. But moving on to the actual decor, this white vase with the cream colored bones in it actually came from Walmart. Both of them came from Walmart. I got these probably about 4 years ago. The vase was $20 and the bones were in a bundle for either $15 or $20. I cannot remember exactly, but I thought that was super cute, especially from Walmart. And then moving on, I just have this little galvanized metal serving tray, and I just have it in the living room because it holds my candles and more of my decorations. I got the painted bottle with the twine around the top from Walmart. I got this candle, and it does say Joy to the World, and it's more, I guess, like a Christmas candle since it says that on the top, but it doesn't really look Christmassy, and it is a vanilla coffee candle. So when I burn this candle, my entire house smells like I'm brewing coffee, and it is delicious. So that is why I keep it out. That is actually one of the only candles that I burn all the time. And then back here, this little metal turquoise colored birdcage decor was actually given to my 7-year-old daughter by my mom. She was just gonna use it, you know, to play with and to put her things in, but she wasn't using it, so I snatched it up from her. So the tray actually came from Dollar General, and it was only $5. So I was like, yes ma'am, please, that is a steal. And the candle came from TJ Maxx. And then, hello, here's my TV. We just have a Panasonic plasma TV. Our TV, my husband actually done some work for one of his friends, and he was going to get rid of the TVs anyway, so he was like, you know what, you can just have the TV, you done work for me, so here you go. So we actually have two of these. I think they're 55 or 60 inch. I think they're 55 inch TVs. We have two that match. So the other one is upstairs in the kids' living room that they have upstairs. The TV stand actually came from the same person. He was getting ready to redo his entire house. He was building on to his house, and he no longer had a use for the TV stand, and we had just moved into our new house and did not have a new one, so we took this one off of his hands. So this was a free piece to us. Shout out to him, because we have been using it and we love it. Down here we just have our Xbox, and then, you know, all this stuff. The flower garden galvanized tin came from Dollar Tree. I'm sure many of you will recognize that. Inside the flower tin, my wedding bouquet is just laying sideways in there, but I just wanted to display that somewhere. That's something that I love, and it means a lot to me, so I just put it here in the living room. And then again, we have the Wii. I got this wicker basket right here from a thrift store, and it just houses our Wii and Xbox remotes, or any cords that we have, because I hate when cords show. It was $1.50 at a thrift store. And then moving on from that, on the other side, another matching vase. So I have one on either side, just match, that's it. Over here, I just have my Glade plug-in, and it just has some cinnamon scent in it right now, because I think that smells amazing. And so this is the other side of the living room, which is where our couch is. And we just got this couch not long ago, and I know some of you noticed that we got a new couch and you were having questions about it. This is the gray fabric sectional, and we got this at Big Lots. It came with a matching ottoman And together, both pieces were roughly $1,100. And the reason we got this is because we like to switch furniture, you know, ever so often. It does come with a 3-year warranty, and, you know, after about 3 to 5 years, I'm going to be bored of it and I'm going to want something else. So getting something super expensive just does not make sense for us, so we do not do it. This couch is extremely, extremely comfortable, and I will say it is a high maintenance couch. You will need to vacuum it and clean it very often, like spot clean it very often. If you have kids, pets, or just you're messy, you have spills or something, you are going to need to vacuum roll it and spot clean it pretty often. As for my pillows, the Blush Long Mongolian Hair pillow is by the brand Better Homes and Garden, as well as the gray quilted pillow. The blush ones were $19.99 each, and the gray ones, I want to say those were $15.99 each. And then the white ones came in a pack of 2, and I actually got those at Big Lots. They were on clearance for the set, and those were $15.99 for both of those. And then we just have the same on the other side. As for decorations in my house, I am a minimalist when it comes to decor. You've probably noticed. But as for right now on this wall, this is the only piece that I have. And I have had this up here since we moved in. We built this house 4 years ago, and this floating white shelf matches my crown molding, and I love it so much. It came from Hobby Lobby, like I said, 4 years ago, but I'm sure they still have like these kinds of shelves. And the F came from Hobby Lobby as well. The black chalk painted bottle with the twine came from Walmart, as well as the white bottle that came from Walmart, and it matches the one on the TV stand. The picture frames came from Dollar Tree, and I just have our wedding pictures and our kids on the beach there, which was actually a wedding picture also. And then moving on to the corner, we have this gray studded tall chair. I absolutely love this chair. Someone was tossing this chair out. They did not want it anymore because it was broken and wobbly. So my husband and I got it, and he fixed it, and I cleaned it up very well. And so this was actually a free piece to me. I do want to either stain or paint the legs at some point, but right now I like it just how it is. It's fine. And this chair was actually the inspiration for this entire living room. I got this chair before I got the new couch and everything, so yes, this was my inspiration. And right here, I know you guys are going to have questions about my faux fur rug. This came from Ross. This was $30. If you know anything about rugs, rugs are very expensive. So $30 for this rug was a steal. And again, this is another high maintenance piece. So if you're not someone that likes to clean a lot, then I might steer clear of this rug, because you will get pieces of trash like leaves, dirt. You will have to hand pick that out, and you will have to roll vacuum, like use your vacuum tools to actually clean it with. And to be honest with you, one time it got something on it and it got dirty, and I put it in the washing machine and it did just fine. So there is that. Then from that chair, you look down here, and we have my white chicken wire basket with fabric on the inside. This actually came from Five Below, so it was $5. And we just put our blankets in here because we are blanket people, and when we're sitting on the couch watching TV or just relaxing, we love some blankets. This piece right here of furniture, this little table, I absolutely love this. I think it is an absolutely gorgeous piece. It is an antique white. It is a vintage piece. This was handcrafted in 1970. And this was at a yard sale. Someone had an online yard sale, and I asked them how much. They said $25, and I said, sold please. I'll be there very soon to pick it up. On top, I just have this rustic looking wooden lantern. It does have glass inside. That came from Ross for $9.99. And there's a pineapple inside of here. And I realize people are supposed to put candles inside lanterns. But I have this white pineapple, and I had no home for the white pineapple. So I just put it inside here, and it suits me just fine. So that's where he lives, okay? Over here, I have my Yankee Candle number 7 in coconut and pomegranate. And y'all, this candle smells delicious. I'm allergic to floral scents, so candles are very hard to come by for me. This one right here is perfect. Next, I have my faux grass, and it is in like this cement cinder block type of vase, which I just love. I think it's so cute. I got this at TJ Maxx, and it does not have the price on it, so I cannot remember how much I gave for it, but I want to say it was like $14.99 or something like that. This right here is just an LED light. It just has this giant light bulb in it. And if I can operate this with one hand, it is functional. It is super, super cute. It'll be really cute in a kid's room or like for your dorm room or something, because you can actually buy several of these and you can hang them as well. So you can get a bunch and be creative with that. It does put off a lot of light. So if you actually want to use it as a lamp, lantern, something like that, it does work for that very, very well. I got this at Five Below for $5. Inside the table, I just have, you know, like stuff that we use. These are like Molly's toys that she leaves in the living room. We have dogs, so a lint roller is a must, command strips. We just have some pencils for school things. This is my journal that I write in, or my planner that I write in for YouTube videos. Obviously the lighter for the candle, and the remotes and the fan remote live in here, which by the way is also new, so I will show you guys the fan as well. So here is the fan if you are interested. I got this at Lowe's and it was $4.99. So if you're interested in getting one for yourself, it does work with the remote and with the switch. It is actually tied in with an alarm system, so it will, you know, come off and on or blink and things like that. If I can find it online, I'll link it down below for you guys. Down in the bottom, it does have double doors, so they both open. And we just have some Xbox games, the Kinect, just some of my cleaning tools, Molly's games. In here, I have like charging cords and paper and my duster, which I was just too lazy to go put it where it belongs, so that's where it's at. Keep the dog's harness and leash down here. Nothing too extravagant down there, and just thought I would show it to you in case you were interested. And then moving on to this side, here is the ottoman that matches the couch. And of course, most people have their ottoman in the center, you know, where their couch is at. And we do move it over when we are using it, but when we are not using it, this is where it stays because it serves as extra seating. We do, or I do, host several parties a year and have company over for that. And of course, we're a family of 5, so it is great for extra seating. And I did not say, but if you're just in the market for an ottoman only, you can buy this piece separate. It is $2.99 for this ottoman. It does not open. I wish that it did, but it doesn't. The pillows, these big fluffy gray pillows, actually have a pattern on the other side, which I think is horrendous, so I don't use that side. They came with the couch and ottoman. And then down here, this little gray pillow came from TJ Maxx. And then this F pillow, which is like a burlap pillow. Actually, it's a pillow cover that zips up, and I just stuffed it with stuffing from Hobby Lobby, but I got that cover from Wish, and I have it in a video, and it was either $4 or $5. So that is awesome for a pillow. And then this pink fuzzy blanket, you guys, I'm telling you, this thing is extremely soft. This is actually from Five Below also. So I got that blanket for $5, and it is, when you open it up, it is a big size blanket. It is awesome. So highly recommend those. And up here is a piece that I'm mighty proud of because I made that. Yes, ma'am, I did. That was a DIY. And like I said, I do not like a lot of wall decor. To me, it makes the room feel cluttered. It's just not my style. But this right here, I think, fits perfectly where it is at. There is what it looks like in that space. I just think it goes there perfectly. And yes, I made that for $10. That is our front door. And this door here goes to our upstairs. So yes, we do have a door to our upstairs, which helps with noise from the kids, heating and cooling, cost, and things like that. It's in an inconvenient spot, which I do not appreciate, but it is what it is. So that is it for my cozy little living room. So if you're looking to decorate a small space, I do recommend this couch, you know, besides the cleaning portion of it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video.